This is problem number 11 in the week 4 quiz access chapter 2. Um, we will help Imagine Carmen Cambry started her consulting business called Help Today um, on December 1st. At the end of the month, she has a set of recorded accounts. Um, our goal is to prepare the December income statement, which shows the businesses revenues and expenses for ended month. Um, for this, we just need this data. Um, we need to remember the income statement is a report of revenues and expenses within a period, specific period, whether monthly, quarterly, annually, etc. First, I I will choose for month ended December 31. Remember to put revenues for this site and expenses. Now let's structure the income statement. We will use a clear and professional presentation like this. I think cons consulting revenue is a unique data like revenue for $27,070. Consulting revenue, okay, for 27,070. Okay. Now I will continue with expenses. Expenses. Here, rent expenses. Rent expense. Rent expense. Rent expense. Okay. For 9,630. Okay. Next, salaries expense. Salary expense. Salary. Here is it. For 500. No, sorry. 5,670. Okay. Next, telephone expense. Okay, here is it for 950. Okay, and miscellaneous expenses. Here is it for 570. Okay, we can to see in this part total revenues by 70 for total revenues 77 70,070 and total expenses for 16,820. Um, Now um, I need to uh, I need to know what is my revenues and expenses. For this, I need to do and I need to find the net income. Uh, this is calculated by subtracting total expenses from revenues. So I need to use a calculator um, and minus 16,820. Okay. Huh. The difference is 10,250. Okay, I have my net income um, for this income statement for month ended December 31. Let's continue. The next financial statement requested is um, preparing a statement of retained earnings. A statement of retained earnings, its purpose explain change in equity or um, explain changes in retained earnings from net income and any dividend over a period of time. Um, we must remember certain elements um, to complete this chart, and let's start with the date. In this case, for this is financial statement, um, I choose for month ended December 31. Okay. um, the first data is retained earnings um, or begin retained earnings December 1. We must remember the company began operation on December 1, therefore is 0. Okay, so we need a formula mm, which is mm, to find the and retained earnings. We need to know um, the net income. In the before exercise, we found the net income. Okay, so is 10,250. Okay, now we have our net income. Let's to continue. Um, we need now dividends. What are our dividends? Here is the data, 6,070. Okay, therefore is and retain. In this case, it was calculated automatically. So um, this this financial statement or this or our statement of retained earnings is 4,180. Okay, um, the next financial request test is balance sheet. Um, we must to remember that balance sheet shows or reports the balance of assets, liabilities on equity at a period in time. Okay, mm, it's the same. In the same way as the previous financial statement, we will start by placing um, the date. Here is different because we need for balance sheet a date specific. Um, in this case, as of December 31. Okay. Um, then we must to remember the financial balance sheet works with the accounting formula. Um, assets, assets is equal liabilities plus equity. Okay. On this side, we will place the assets. And we need to review this uh, data and like assets we have cash, okay, cash for 25,420. Okay, then we have account receivable for 22,430. Okay, we have two office supplies for 5,000 and 330. And we have office equipment for 20,080. Ready. Oh, um, we can't to to lose land. Land too is asset for 44,070. Okay, I think we have total assets. Yes. Okay. Now, for this side, we need two liabilities. I think only just one. I think accounts payable for 10,550. Okay, now we need to equity. Okay, equity. mm, in equity, I think only we have common stock. Okay, for 100 102,600. Okay. Mm, I think I we have finished. Uh, we need to put this label because this is total liabilities in equity. Okay, our equation is perfect because for this side total assets is equal the total liabilities in equity. Thank you.